Hello and welcome back. So today we're going to be filling the fridge again with a new minis fill the fridge capsule. So I'm excited to see what we get in this capsule today. So let's get into it. So if you've watched my previous video, you'll see what I've gotten in the last capsule. And I love how easy these are to open. They open actually quite well compared to other mini brands, I swear. Okay. And then my Magic Pop. Okay, first off, we're going to go with the big one, which is usually like a resin thing. We got something new. Okay, I put all the little pieces down. Looks like we got the, what is this one? Oh, it's an ice pop. So we got the ice pop one with the cute little fruits so that you can put inside. And I'm assuming the fruits are in here. I'm not going to open that right now, but I will be doing all these resin projects off of camera or a new video. I'm not too sure yet, but we'll probably do it in a new video, so that we can show you. Oopsie, it's trying to focus on the wrong thing here. There we go. This one's called the Ice Pop Glue, and cute little things to fill it. And of course it comes with the cute little guys there. Okay, next up is this one. We got a duplicate. So we got the turmeric shot again. That's okay. Also, up next, we got something new. Cooked lobster. Oh, it's a full lobster. That's cute. Okay, next up, we got some more cheese slices. Same brand, same flavor. And next we got, ooh, we got one of these guys. These are so good. Ramune. And I think this is the one with the marble inside. What flavor is this? I think it's just, yeah, original it says. So cute. And next one, I want to buy more of these so bad. Ooh, what is this, ramen? Nope, it is shredded hash browns. Last one for this video is going to be Pizza Hut. Do we like get a Pizza Hut in every one? Hey, I don't think we got a magnet this time. Oh wait, I think I see it. Just hold on, I'm gonna try to open this pizza. Oh, we got some wings. Oh, and here's our magnet for, it's cute, it's a little camera. That's added onto our fridge. Looking good. Make sure to watch my next video where we are gonna fill the fridge with what we got on this video, and I hope you enjoyed it. Bye for now.